Hi everybody, it's Becky from Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and we're going to make these adorable mini sunflowers with buttercreams on the mini cupcakes. I got a 352 leaf tip in this bag, and then I'm going to fold this bag completely in half with that pointy part lining up with the seam. And that part is very important because right on this seam, that is where we're going to stripe a little bit of this light orange buttercream. And what I'll do is I'll just use a knife to get right in that seam, and I'll stripe just a little bit of that light orange buttercream right up that seam on that one side that lines up with the pointy end. And then after I get that there, I'm gonna put in my yellow buttercream, and I'll just completely fill it with the yellow, and it's easy to hold it in place because it's still folded in half. And then you just pull up that end of the bag and then kind of shake it down, twist it so that the buttercream doesn't come out on you, and then go ahead and pipe a leaf to make sure that both colors come out. Yes, they are. So now let's get on these mini cupcakes here. Now we're gonna make sure we take the side that has the orange on top. That is gonna be completely on top when we are piping our petals all the way around. So we're gonna pipe an outer layer, and we want the petal to end just at the outside of the cupcake here, and we're going to end up doing it 2 layers. So this will be the first one, and then we're going to do a second layer right over these, overlapping them all the way around. And all I do is I squeeze, release the pressure, and pull out, and that gives us a nice little pointy petal there, and it's all set to put our little centers in. And this is the 233 grass tip. It has a bunch of little holes, and that'll make a great center. I put some chocolate buttercream in there, and we're gonna pipe straight up, and I continue the pressure and then release it as I pull up, so it makes them go just a little higher and gives you that little bit of dimension in there. Yeah. And one more time all the way around. And then the center on that one. And there we have it, adorable mini little sunflower cupcakes. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I put out a new video, which is usually on Tuesdays, but sometimes I throw in a bonus one. Thank you.